Good morning. We are on top of blue sky. We are actually washing it right now, trying to get it ready for paint and whatnot. At least the rooftop, and then we'll continue around on the sides and everything. But we scrubbed the top deck, and of course we did all the little rust patching all the way around and whatnot. So those have all dried up nicely, and overall cleaned up fairly well. We'll see how well we can get this cleaned up here. Which is what we're going to videotape, because I didn't have the cameras out yet. Didn't know if this would be interesting at all, so who knows. But anyway, washing a 55-foot big boat. Right now we're just watching, letting this stuff. What we'll do is I'll get this side sprayed, and then you can spray that side while I start to scrub. Well, it is 5 o'clock, well, 4:59, so almost 5 o'clock. Anyway, we're good about to call it a day. This is the end of the week. What is this, January 2nd? So we got those LEDs slightly dimmed down, so they're a little better. Let's see, we cleaned the roof. We cleaned the side decks. That's pretty much all we did today. Was lots of cleaning. Jeannie's out here still using the leaf blower to dry stuff off, but we are pretty much done. Sounds like she stopped.
Huh?
Oh, just making
Can you blow some more up here?
No, I think we're good. So we clean this side. Walk forward. So cleaned all the way to this midsection here. Let's see if I can find a section that looks like before. So that's kind of like what it looked like before. A little dingy and dirty and whatnot. Sorry about the wind, but it's super windy now. And then we went on around and cleaned the deck and cleaned around the door and everything, so it's a little better. Let's see, but the really clean surface is, of course, up here. And then we did the deck, which is a little cleaner, but I don't know if it's massively cleaner, but we attacked all these. We've now cleaned those out, and we're gonna come up and put a little bit of paint on them tomorrow so that they are protected. Here we are up here. This is where we started this morning. Started the video. So there's the upper one. Oh yeah. Came out quite nice. Cleaned up quite nice. So that's good to know that all the scum that was up here was just dirt things. Okay. Well, I think that's it for the day. So later.